Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
Let's talk about Uber and them bundling shared trips now, like reservations.
Yeah,
Ooh,
there are double, triple bundled reservations going out. Triples are going out now, Chris. Triples.
Damn.
And now,
thank God I don't have shared in my area.
Woo. No, well, now they're bundling shared rides. Okay, do you guys see this? The pink screen. Do you see on the black part where it says Uber shared, and there is in parentheses there's two Chris, right?
Yep.
That's a double order. That's like if you were to get a stacked delivery order, you would say the same thing, two in there. So when you guys do see this, that means two riders have been matched already that are not at the same address. There, you're gonna start doing a little bit more work. So figure it out, people. Pay attention to that black box where it says two. If it says two, and this is the trip that this gentleman, got pinged with. So he goes, Serge, what the bullshit is this? They're bundling shared trips now. I'm going like, I didn't know about this. So if you like doing shared trips, and if you do have a great quest, let's say, that's why these are good for, because every leg of the shared trip goes towards your quest. But look at the one on the third screenshot, Chris. Double bundle for $8.16. The other thing I noticed with the shared trips, Chris, you know what's missing here? You see the map, right? You see the map of the first pickup.
Yep.
I don't see the duration and the distance of this whole thing. Do you see it?
Well, because I think the thing is it could change, because again it's shared. So like if it starts stacking up.
I know, but
like really
on the original ping, there is no destination, the distance and time. It's just where the drop off.
Maybe it's just because it's the pickup and drop off of the first particular ride versus
potentially, but why aren't you showing the upfront fares on this thing? You should. I mean, transparency. You should tell, because that 2273, if I don't know my city well enough, that map doesn't tell me how long I'm going to drive. It could be 50 miles. I don't know.
Yeah, right.
You know what I mean? I don't know. Uber, this is bullshit. Change this. This is easy for you guys. You have 33,000 quotas there. This is like, it's completely blind. I don't know where I'm going. I don't know how long the damn thing is. I don't know what $8.16 is going to get me. I mean, I know I'm getting two riders. I got that. But how far am I driving in time and distance? I need to know. Right? Okay. So,
I don't know.
Yeah, we'll
I don't know. I'm not sure if that's like the pickup and end dropped off. I don't know if that's just like the first ride, and however, I don't know. Either. I mean, it's kind of difficult to understand that. So yeah, they probably need to clarify that a little bit, or they're going to see more of an acceptance rate problem.
Definitely. Stack share rides are hiding. Yeah, see, there you go. Very close. I didn't know that. So Uber, you will get this tomorrow, or you're watching anyway. Are you taking screenshots of this, Uber? Right here. We'll keep it like for 10 more seconds. 10 more seconds.
But either way.
Anyway, so, I mean, look, if you can do shared rides, I don't care. There are actually some decent shared rides if it's surging, because the first leg and the second leg would get to surge. But if you're not telling me how long I'm going to go drive, how long the P2, P3 is, I don't want to do it.
Yeah. Well, all I know is thankfully I don't have shared in my area. So
I know. And you never had it, right? Ever? Have you ever had it?
No.
Ever?
Nope.
Fuck.
Not once.
I think it's on big cities. They do it because people just go,
Yeah. Which is fine by me. I mean, I don't care.
Yeah, but look, I mean, in the old days, this was gold for me, because it would surge like 3x, 4x, and then each leg would be like 3x, 4x. And then I knew how to crack it and open it up and make individual trips out of it. All the old days, beautiful shit, all that stuff, Fight Club stuff is all gone. It's not even fun to drive anymore. You just get in the car and now drive base rates, collect $5. That's it. It's just not even fun.
And your passenger's pissed off because they're paying 90. You're getting 5.
Exactly. It's just to suck the life out of it. Whatever. Anyway.
I mean, if you want to take your family to go get Five Guys, you're going to spend $100 there. Plus, it's going to take you $45 just to get there and back from an Uber or Lyft.
Yeah. Well, yeah. I don't think David Risher ever said the drivers are going to make more money. I don't think he ever said that. I don't recall him saying that. They have done some cool things, but I don't think neither company, I don't think is going to do to improve driver pay until there is a shortage of supply. And we don't have that at the moment.
No, not for a while.
Yeah.
Hopefully sometime soon. But if the economy continues as they're predicting and talking about, it's going to be probably a long time until there's a shortage.
Oh, yeah. If we're getting a recession? Shit, yeah. Yeah.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.